Hey everyone! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the wonders of our natural world. Today, I'm going to break down one of nature's most fascinating and powerful phenomena, earthquakes. Sounds intense, right? But don't worry, it's going to be a fun and enlightening journey. But don't worry, I'll keep it simple and easy to understand. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of what causes these earth-shaking events. So, what exactly is an earthquake? It's more than just the ground shaking beneath our feet. Well, imagine the Earth's crust. Think of it like a giant jigsaw puzzle. Each piece of this puzzle is constantly interacting with its neighbors. This puzzle is made up of pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are massive slabs of rock that cover the Earth's surface. These plates are constantly moving, but very slowly. They drift at a pace similar to how fast your fingernails grow. Sometimes the edges of these plates get stuck due to friction. This is because the surfaces are not smooth and can catch on each other, but the rest of the plates keep moving, which builds up a lot of energy. This energy is stored up over time, creating immense pressure. Eventually, this energy gets released, and that's when an earthquake happens. The sudden release of energy sends shockwaves through the Earth. It's like when you pull back a rubber band and then let it go, all that stored energy gets released in a snap. This is a great way to visualize the suddenness of an earthquake. The place where the plates actually slip is called the focus, or hypocenter. This is the underground point where the earthquake starts. Right above it on the Earth's surface is the epicenter, the point where the earthquake feels the strongest. This is usually where the most damage occurs. Now, earthquakes can vary in size. They can be minor tremors or massive quakes that reshape landscapes. Some are so small you wouldn't even notice them. These tiny quakes happen all the time and are usually harmless. But others can be incredibly powerful and cause a lot of damage. These are the ones that make headlines and can have devastating effects on communities. To measure these quakes, scientists use something called the Richter scale. This scale helps us understand the magnitude of an earthquake. It's a logarithmic scale, which means each whole number increase represents a 10-fold increase in measured amplitude and roughly 31.6 times more energy release. This means a small increase in number indicates a much larger increase in energy. So, a magnitude 6 earthquake is much stronger than a magnitude 5. Understanding this helps us grasp the potential impact of different quakes. But why do we need to understand earthquakes? It's not just about knowing the science, it's about safety and preparedness. Well, knowing how they work helps us prepare and stay safe. This knowledge can save lives and reduce damage. For instance, buildings in earthquake-prone areas are designed to be more flexible so they can absorb the shock better. This engineering marvel helps prevent buildings from collapsing. And people are taught to drop, cover, and hold on during an earthquake to protect themselves from falling debris. These simple actions can make a big difference. Also, did you know that earthquakes can trigger other natural events? This interconnectedness of natural phenomena is fascinating and sometimes dangerous. They can cause tsunamis, landslides, and even volcanic eruptions. These secondary disasters can be even more destructive than the earthquake itself. That's why being informed is so important. Knowledge empowers us to take the right actions before, during, and after an earthquake. So, there you have it, a simple guide to understanding earthquakes. From the movement of tectonic plates to the importance of preparedness, we've covered it all. They're a natural part of our planet's activity, and while they can be scary, knowing what's happening under our feet helps us stay prepared and safe. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, knowledge is power. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Your support helps us bring you more informative content. Stay curious and see you next time. Keep exploring the wonders of our world.